Black History Month for me is Black Heritage Month. It's a time to proudly celebrate our past, our present, our future.
A lot of us here in London are first or second generation Afro-Caribbeans, and therefore it's a very sentimental moment for us.
It's a way to raise awareness and make people aware of our day-to-day challenges.
At SnapNoir, we try to elevate the voices of our members throughout Black History Month, obviously, but really throughout the year.
By fostering a growth environment where we are bringing all of our different talents and skills that are usually dormant in our day-to-day work, and it is invested in.
The culture of SnapNoir is one of deep pride, shared experiences, and unwavering support.
We care for each other, and we are like a little family in the office.
We connect, we create a safe space for one another through things like counsel, lunches, and connecting inside and outside of the workplace.
I find that we just easily talk and laugh and discuss and network in a really warm way that I think folks would miss out on if they only connect with the people in their direct teams.
My hope for the future of SnapNoir is a real heavy focus on wellness and on professional development.
The most valuable lesson I've learned through SnapNoir is the power of creating a safe space where individuals can share their experiences, find support, and build a stronger, more united community.
We've got this wonderful, kind, smart, creative, and diverse group of people within SnapNoir, just like we do here at Snap.